Hi everyone, I guess you've already watched my last video. That is basically the simplest way of making plain cookies. In this video there is a twist to it. We added honey instead of sugar and one more extra ingredient. You really want to stick and stay with me till the end of this video and I promise you will love it. My name is Enubex and welcome to my channel. So we started off with our plain flour as usual. This is all-purpose flour. And then you add on your margarine. You go ahead to knead it like so. Please be moderate with the margarine initially. Like I always say, it is always difficult to take away excess than to add on. So be moderate and continue kneading it and mixing it up like so. Please do well to check the description box for the measurements I use. We proceeded on to adding our honey at this point. This is raw honey, by the way. Please remember no sugar at all in this particular recipe. The sugar is being replaced with the honey. Now the additional ingredients I spoke about initially is evaporated milk. The twist the adding of milk add on to these cookies of biscuits is out of this world. I just don't know how to explain the taste, but the closest I can say it makes it taste like shortbread. I guess you all know how milky shortbread feels. Yes, exactly. That's how it tastes like with all the crunchiness. Please do also try this recipe out. Please do what to like, comment, share, and most especially subscribe. Thank you for doing just that. This is how rich and soft you want your mixture to actually be looking. You see, when you can actually fold and mold it with your fingers, then it means you've done it right. We then move on to the rolling and cutting stage. Please always remember to coat your working surface and your rolling pin with extra flour in order to prevent it from sticking and creating a mess. Also remember to coat the inside of your baking tray with extra flour in order to prevent the cookies from sticking when it's finally done. At the cutting stage, please make sure your oven is already lighted and is preheating. I bake these cookies at 250 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes or less, so please do well to keep an eye on yours based on the heat source and temperature you will be using.
Eventually,
look at how beautiful and super appealing this turned out. The taste is undescribable. You really need to try this recipe out. I bet you will love it. Please don't forget to store it in an airtight container. Until I come your way next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye.